Welcome to this technical product overview of Re4mx Diesel, Fuel Reform's next-generation plant-based molecular fuel reformer. In this video, we'll walk through what Re4mx Diesel is, how it works, and why it's trusted to deliver measurable fuel savings, lower emissions, and smoother operations across heavy-duty industries. Re4mx is designed for seamless integration into existing diesel and biodiesel systems, improving combustion efficiency and reducing harmful emissions without any need for engine modification. Here are its specifications. It's a plant-based ester, clear and light yellow in appearance, with a flash point between 135 and 165 degrees Celsius. Re4mx has a biodegradability greater than 60%. It is non-toxic and free from heavy metals. It has negligible solubility in water and is non-flammable. For technical reference, here are the CAS and HS codes. Re4mx is compatible with standard diesel fuels, including EN590 and its global variants, as well as biodiesel blends ranging from B5 to B35. Performance benefits of Re4mx Diesel include combustion efficiency. Re4mx optimizes fuel at the molecular level, increasing energy yield and enabling more power per litre. By reducing unburnt hydrocarbons, it significantly lowers emissions and operational waste. Lubricity enhancement. The formulation improves fuel system lubrication, reducing injector wear and helping prevent fouling, especially under high load or biodiesel conditions. Atomization. Improved spray patterns result in better air-fuel mixing, supporting stable ignition and complete combustion even in engines using blended or alternative fuels. Cleaner ignition. The result is a cleaner, more controlled combustion cycle, delivering measurable improvements in engine efficiency, emissions reduction, and long-term performance. Re4mx Diesel reduces harmful emissions across the board, including carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen oxides, sulfur oxides, and particulate matter. It supports compliance with major environmental standards such as IMO regulations, Euro 6, and other global or national emissions protocols. By improving combustion quality, reducing soot and exhaust stack temperature, it enables cleaner, more efficient operation, especially in heavy-duty industrial and commercial engines. And because Re4mx improves fuel economy, every litre of fuel saved translates into zero emissions, delivering measurable sustainability gains without mechanical changes. Re4mx Diesel delivers measurable commercial value. Field deployments consistently report fuel savings of 15 to 20%, significantly reducing operational expenditure. No retrofits or system changes needed. Our solution integrates seamlessly with your existing setup. It also helps extend maintenance intervals by reducing injector fouling and improving lubricity, meaning less downtime and fewer replacements. In most cases, users see a return on investment within weeks, especially in high-consumption environments, like mining, logistics, or construction. The typical net cost is up to 75% lower than the value of the fuel saved, making this a smart, cost-effective upgrade for your business. For cost-conscious operations, Re4mx Diesel is a smart, scalable solution that delivers both performance and financial return. Dosing Re4mx Diesel is straightforward and precise. The standard treatment ratio is 1 litre of Re4mx Diesel for every 800 litres of fuel. That's a 1 to 800 ratio. To support day-to-day operations, here are some quick conversions. For 1,000 litres of diesel, dose 1.25 litres of Re4mx. For 500 litres, 625 millilitres. And for smaller applications, 125 millilitres for 100 litres, 12.5 millilitres for 10 litres, or 1.25 millilitres for just 1 litre. This ensures consistent reformulation across bulk storage or individual vehicle dosing and optimal performance results. Re4mx Diesel is designed for safe, simple integration across commercial and industrial settings. Store the product in an environment between 20 and 50 degrees Celsius, away from direct sunlight and open flames. No respiratory protection is required as the product does not emit harmful vapors under normal conditions. While Re4mx is non-toxic and non-flammable, gloves and safety goggles are recommended when handling bulk quantities. In the event of skin or eye contact, rinse thoroughly with clean water. For spills, absorb with inert material and dispose of according to local environmental guidelines. Re4mx does not require any specialist firefighting measures. Standard extinguishers are sufficient, and it will not intensify combustion. The product is classified as non-hazardous for transport and is exempt from ADR and RID restrictions, making it straightforward to store and ship globally. The weight of each plastic container is 19.5 kilograms or 1 metric ton IBC. For compliance and documentation purposes, product classification codes are displayed on screen. For more guidance, refer to the user manual or contact the fuel reform support team.